If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button, and click on all so that you don't miss any further updates from our channel. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today's video is all about how to create a YouTube link that can be directly opened and subscribed from Instagram bio. Yes, you heard it right. We might have noticed that a link that is provided in the Instagram bio by many famous YouTubers can be opened, but when we try to subscribe their channel, they ask us to sign in, isn't it? So today I'll show how to create a link that will allow you to subscribe directly from Instagram bio. Also, this is a note that this video is purely for new YouTubers as well as existing YouTubers. So let's get started. So all you need is you have to go to Google Chrome, search for Google Firebase, click on Firebase Google. Now guys, this is totally safe as it is linked with Google, so you need not worry about your personal details or it will get hacked or anything. It is 100% safe because I myself have used it. So this is the home page. You have to click on get started. Yeah, so you can see I have already created 2 times. I'll again create it for you guys. So you have to click on add project. Now here you have to enter your channel name. Okay, yeah, so click on continue, again click on continue. So now you have to select an account. So create a new account. And click on save. Now you have to select your country. I'm from India, so I'll select India. Yeah, so you have to accept the Google terms and click on create project. Now they will be creating a project for you. Also guys, I have linked down my socials down below, so you can go and check my Instagram page and you can directly subscribe from it. So like this is 100% guaranteed that you will be able to subscribe from my Instagram page. So they have finished the project, so you have to click on continue. Now you will get a page like this. You have to go to the dashboard. You can see here there is the option for dynamic links. Yeah, so click on that. Now click on get started. Now here for domain, I have already created my link for my channel, so I'll just select as technology. Okay, I'll select as technology talk and click on continue. You have to select your channel's name only. Click on finish. Yeah, so you can see the pop-up has come that your dynamic link has been created. So you have to click on new dynamic link. Now here you can see they have already created a link for you, so you have to just go next. Now here you have to enter your original YouTube link. So this is my original YouTube link for my channel. Now next, here you have to again enter as technology talk. I'll just enter as talk because I've already created for mine. So you have to enter your channel name again. Click on next, 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 and create. So you can see technology talk has been created. You can see this link. You can click on link details and you can see all the link. You can see your original YouTube link, the long dynamic link, and short dynamic link. So this short dynamic link you have to copy and paste it in your Instagram bio. For example, I have shown, see, you can see my screen. This is how I created my link. You can go to my Instagram page and you can click on it, and I'm 100% sure you will be able to sign in. I mean, you will be able to subscribe it without any issue. So guys, this was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button and click on all so that you don't miss any further updates from us. Also, if you have any kind of doubts, you can comment it or you can DM me on Instagram or on Twitter and follow us there and stay updated. So until next time, goodbye.